This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 25th, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.64 points or 0.16% to 403.17. Total trade volume was up from Friday with 65,087 shares changing hands at a total value of 386.1 million real or approximately $96,000. On the main board, only one stock was up while 5 stocks were down. The one stock up was Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, up 0.44% or 10 real to 2,280 real per share. Of the 5 stocks down, the biggest loser of the day was the Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, down 1.18% or 160 real to 13,440 real per share, followed by the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which was down 0.63% or 40 real to 6,280 real per share. Other stocks down were Grand Twins International, Akleda Bank, and the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port. Meanwhile, 3 stocks, Pestec Cambodia, MJQ Education, and Cam GSM remained flat. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering was up 0.99% or 20 real to 2,040 real per share, while JS Land stayed flat at 3,470 real per share. Akleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 35,974 shares changing hands at a total value of 250.3 million real, or around $62,500, making up roughly 45.5% of total shares traded on November 25th. DBD Engineering once again recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 13,203 shares changing hands at a total value of 26.6 million real or over $6,600, accounting for around 16.7% of Monday's trade volume. In other market news, Grand Twins International released a Q3 report for 2024, reporting a 19.13% increase in revenue, a 116.08% increase in operating profit, and 588.46% increase in net profit compared to the same quarter in 2023. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened slightly to 4,014 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 106.93. Looking at global commodities, oil prices steadied on Monday following 6% gains last week, with mounting tensions between Western powers and major oil producers, Russia and Iran, raising fears of supply disruptions and keeping a floor under prices. Brent crude futures fell 0.34% or 26 cents to $74.91 a barrel. Gold prices declined as much as 2% on Monday as investors booked profits following a 5-session rally to a 3-week high, while the announcement of fund manager Scott Bessent as the new U.S. Treasury Secretary tempered safe haven buying. Spot gold was down 1.5% at $2,673.30 per ounce, declining 2% earlier in the session. U.S. gold futures shed 1.4% to $2,674.90. U.S. stock futures climbed Monday as Wall Street kicked off a shortened Thanksgiving trading week. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose 302 points or 0.7%, futures tied to the S&P 500 climbed 0.5%, and Nasdaq 100 futures advanced around 0.6%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 25th.